Hello all, how are you? In this video, me and my son will teach different colors to your kids. It's a fun and learning game. Here, I'm using some set of color bowls, some skittles, some chocolates, and some fruits and vegetables, and some fruit cards. Now, we are classifying all these items into different color bowls. So this is the game. So let's start the game.
Orange color. Color is pink. This green color. Puzzle. Puzzle is red.
Very good.
Blue color. Brown color.
What is this?
Apple.
It's an apple. It's an apple. What color is apple?
Red. Red.
Red color. And next card in the kitchen.
The watermelon.
What is this?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. What color is the watermelon? Color.
Green.
Green color. What's this?
Banana.
Banana. What color is the banana?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Orange.
What is this? It is an orange. Orange. What color orange is? Orange color. Next. Next card.
The grapes.
Grapes. What color is the grapes? Is this?
Green.
It's a green color. Next. Next card.
Next card is pineapple.
Next card is
Pineapple.
pineapple.
Nice.
What color is pineapple?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, next. Last one. What is this, Kanya?
Apple. Papaya.